At HD Supply, we have 3 different types of protective barriers available: personal protective barriers, tabletop protective barriers, and desktop protective barriers. Our personal protective barriers are available in custom widths from 16 3/4 of an inch to 71 3/4 of an inch, and custom heights from 23 3/4 of an inch to 47 3/4 of an inch. You'll also have the option to order these with or without a pass-through. If ordering the pass-through, the opening will be half the measurement of the total width. When measuring for a personal protective barrier, first measure the width of the space you would like the barrier to cover. Next, for the height, measure how tall you would like the barrier to stand from the surface to the nearest 1/4 of an inch. When filling out the form, please enter the quantity, width, height, and select yes or no on the pass-through option.